Okay, for problems number 6 to 10, a mechanical equipment with mass of 1,725 pounds at rest at the top of the building is at the top of the building. Calculate the height of the building if the energy at rest is equivalent to energy at rest. Ayan, 172.5 kilocalories. Find the local gravity. So, this is at rest. Okay, energy at rest. This is potential energy. That is M, G, and H divided by Z. mg Z divided by K. Yan, parang nalilito. Meron kang mass, okay? Meron kang gravity, meron kang K, wala ka lang Z. So, anong gagawin mo dito? Simple. 'Di ba ang binigay ko sa inyo is 907 kilograms is equal to 2,000 pounds. Mas madaling conversion 'to, mas madaling tandaan. And then, 4.187 kcal per kilojoule, tama ba? Or kilojoule per kilocalorie. Tingnan na natin sa ating mga notes. Binigay ko na 'yan, eh. Ayun, uh kcal nandito lang 'yan. 'Yun, hanapin ko yung conversion. Ayan, 4.187 kilojoule per kcal. Baliktad pala. Ang pagbabaliktad ko siya minsan, eh. Kilojoules per kcal, 1 kcal. Okay? So, meron kang PE, yes, given. Ang hinahanap mo is Z. Z will be equal to, familiar naman 'tong problem na 'to, eh, na-solve na natin 'tong nakaraan. Iba lang yung mga given. So, PE multiplied to the proportionality constant, K over mg. PE, yan na. Hindi natin alam yung height of the building in, ano ba hinahanap ditong unit? In feet. In feet yan, in feet. So, sa dulo ka na mag-convert. Z will be equal to PE, 172.5 kcal. Okay, divide mo na agad yan. 4.187 kilonewton meter kasi 1 kilojoule is kilonewton meter. 1 kcal multiplied to K, proportionality constant, 1 kilogram meter, okay, newton, second squared. Divided by your mass, na ano? Ano yung mass mo? Nakalagay dyan is 1725 pounds. 1725 pounds. Convert mo ng kilogram, 907 kilogram per 2,000 pounds. Yung binigay ko na conversion. Multiply to G, that is yung local, binigay dyan. 9.725. 725 meter per second squared. Ngayon, i-convert mo na lang tong kilonewton. Multiplied to 1,000, hindi, 1 kilonewton pala. 1 kilonewton, 1,000 newtons. Para ma-cancel siya. And then, ang gusto ko dito in feet. Ang matitira kasi dito meter. Okay? 3.28 feet, 1 meter. Ayan. So, cancel natin yung same units. Kcal, meter, yung meter second squared, kilogram, yung pound, yung newton, kilonewton. Okay? So, tama yung cancellation natin. I bet meron tayong makukuha tamang sagot. So, 172.5 times 4.187 multiplied to 1,000, isa ang solution na lang, times 3.28. Medyo mababa lang ito makukuha natin dito. 1,725 times 907 divide by, sir, ba't hindi na lang 2.205? Ito yung, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo para matandaan nyo siya. Pero pwede din dito na 1 kilogram is 2.205 pounds. Okay, 907 times 9.725. The answer will be 311 feet. O, sakto yung sagot. The answer will be yung Z, 311.3937 feet. Diba? Ganyan kataas yung placement ng iyong machine. That is problem number 6. Problem number 7. Compute the mass of oxygen gas. Gas, oxygen gas in English tons that can be contained inside a spherical tank 5.75 meters in diameter. The pressure gauge is at 5.75 bars and the average temperature is 15.75 degrees Celsius. The mass, okay, mass, P V over RT. Okay, R. Oxygen, 16. 16 times 2, 32. Okay? So, mass in English tons. Sa dulo tayo mag-convert. Tapos yung volume mo. Okay, volume. Volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Or pwede rin pi over 6 d cube. Ayan. Para hindi ka nalilito. Pero pwede na to. Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Okay. Kasi R, D over 2 yan eh. I-cube mo yung dulo, yung 2. That is 8. 4 over 8 is 1/2. Oh, pwede na rin to. Diretso ko na lang dito ha. Diretso ko na yan. So, mass in a ton. English ton, ibig sabihin 907 kilogram equal to 2,000 pounds. Ito rin yun. English ton, 1 English ton, di ba? 1 English ton. Yan yun, equal yan sa 2,000 pounds. So, the mass, P, the pressure gauge is 5.75 bar. Multiply mo na ng 1 bar. 100 kPa. Kaya lang, that is nakalagay pa sa saan yan? Sa gauge. O di 101.325 kPa para maging absolute. And then you will multiply it with the volume. Pi over 6 in diameter, that is 5.75 meters. Meters cube. I-divide natin ng R. The R is 8.3143 divided by 32 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. You multiply it with the average temperature, 15.75 plus 273 degree Kelvin. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa dulo mag-multiply. Okay? Ang kailangan dito is English ton. O di English ton yan, 1 English ton is 2,000 pounds. O di, dalihin ko na dito, 2,000 pound. Okay? 907 kilograms. O, equal yan sa 2,000 pound. Mali. Dapat nasa baba. 1 English ton, 2,000 pounds. Cancel the same units and then the same values. To 2,000, yung pound. yung kilogram, degree Kelvin, degree Kelvin. Ito kasi kilonewton meter. Ito kilonewton per meter squared. Okay, meter. Meter, yung isa dito, may matitira dito, kilonewton, kilonewton, kPa, tapos kPa yung bar, yung bar. Okay. What will be the remaining yung eton? So, solve na natin. Eh, cancel din yung 2,000 dito. So, 907 na lang divided mo dyan. 'Di ba? Diretso. So, una, 5.75. Divide ko na agad ng, hindi pala, hindi na kailangan. 5.75 bars times 100. Okay, yung parenthesis niya sa loob. Tapos, plus natin 101.325. 0.325 times pi over 6. You multiply it with 5.75 cube. Okay, tapos multiply mo ng 8.3143 divide by the molecular weight, 32. 16 yan eh. 16 yung oxygen. Times 15.75 plus 273. And then multiplied pa na 907. The answer will be tama, 0.989. Nasa choices. English tons. Ayan. The mass will be 0.9894 English ton. Nasa choices siya. That is the answer for number 7. Number 8. Find the final temperature in degrees Fahrenheit of 125 liters of water at an initial temperature of 25 degrees Celsius after, ayun, Q have been added. Q. Final temperature. So, temperature. Tandaan nyo that the Cp of water is equal to Cv of water. Hindi nagbabago yan. Okay, kahit anong gamitin mo. Q is equal to Cp, mCp, delta T. Okay? Kaya lang binigay sa'yo dito kasi is volume. 'Di ba? Volume. Volume. Saan ba nagmumula ang volume? Ito, tandaan mo, density is equal to mass over volume. O, di volume, mass over density. O, tanggalin natin. Volume is equal to the mass over density ng water. Kaya lang nakaliter. O, diyan mo magagamit yung density ng water is equal to 1 kilogram every liter. Okay. Ganun yun. Now, Q is equal to mCp delta T. You are given 25,000 BTU is equal to Cp. Ano ba yung Cp ng water at Cv ng water? Cp is equal to Cv. O, equal yan sa 4.187 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Okay. The mass. Wala tayong mass, pero meron tayong volume. Okay. So, mass. Okay. Mass is equal to density multiplied to volume. Density, 1 kilogram in every liter. Density tapos volume niya is 1,125 liters. O, di ka-answer kaagad yung liters. Tapos, meron kang Cp na 4.187 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Ang hinahanap dito is have been used. Find the final in degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Degrees Fahrenheit. So, unahin muna natin yung temperature. Initial temperature is 25 degrees. So, final temperature minus 25 degrees Celsius. Yan. So, BTU, okay? Dito na tayo. Simplify ko na. T2 is equal to 25,000 BTU. Ilan yan? 1.055 kilojoule in every BTU. 1 BTU. Multiplied to, wala na. Divide na natin. Cancel na agad natin to. Diba? Yung liter, yung liter. Di 125 kilograms. Tapos magiging 4.187 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Okay? Matitira dito degree Kelvin. Since that is degree Celsius na rin to kasi magiging change in temperature plus 25 degrees Celsius. Ang lalabas dito is degree Celsius. Okay? T2. Yan. T2. Pwede naman kunin ko yung delta T. Okay? Delta T. Oh, mag-resort tayo doon. Mas madali yon. Mas madali na isip ko yon. Okay? Okay. Huwag na natin T2. Mamaya natin kunin si T2. Okay? So, dito tayo mag-resort. Delta T. Okay. Delta T now will be equal to T2 minus T1. Okay. Equal yan sa 2. Ayan na. Ito yung conversion ng BTU. 1.055 kilojoule per BTU. So, 25,000 times 1.055. 125. Kailangan lang talaga practice. Times 4.187. Ayan. So, you have a change in temperature na 50.3941 degrees Kelvin. Yan yung change in temperature. Now, pwede nating makuha. Pwede na tong degree Celsius, okay? So, T2 ang kailangan na. T2 is equal to 50.3941 plus yung T1. Ano ba yung T1? 25 degrees Celsius. Okay? Sa dulo. So, this is 75.3941 degrees Celsius. Ngayon, pag Fahrenheit, multiply mo ng ano? Pag Fahrenheit, multiply mo ng 1.8 minus 32 ata, plus 32. Check na natin. Medyo nakakalimot din ako. Paminsan-minsan. Pero ako kasi, pag ganyan na yung sa dulo, mode ano na lang ako, mode 37, hindi ko na pina-formula. Shift, convert, 3, 8 pala. Degree Celsius eh. Degree Celsius. So, that is 75.3941. 3941. Para maging degree Fahrenheit. I think that is 167.709. That is correct. T2, 167.70938 degrees Fahrenheit. Approximately 167.7 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the correct answer. Okay. Dire-diretso lang ang solving. That is for problem number 8. Problem number 9. An adiabatic room. Ito na naman tayo sa adiabatic room. Okay, kaya lang oras na naman ang hinahanap. Adiabatic room contains 17.5 degrees Celsius and atmospheric pressure. Paulit-ulit na lang. So, meron kang total heat, meron kang added to attain. Ito yung final temperature. Calculate the total time elapsed. Okay? Dito nagmula yan. Q is equal to mCV delta T over T. Okay? Hanapin mo muna yung M. Okay? Pwedeng, gusto nyo gawan ko ng paraan to na dire-diretso ang solving? Yes, pwede. Di ba ang M mo? M is equal to PV over RT. Area, okay? Sa isahan lang na solving, okay? Ganito, okay? So, paano yung tamang pag-solve niya? Okay. Solve ko muna isa-isa. Okay. Pero pwede na 'tong dire-diretso. T is equal to mcv delta T. Sama-sama mo na diyan yung M. Okay. Sa M, P V over RT. Ganito ako nagso-solve nung ako nagto-topics eh. CV T2 minus T1 divided by Q. Where T in minutes, okay? T. Ang pressure mo is 101.325 kilonewton per meter squared. Yan. Tapos yung V, 5.71. Tama ba ako? 5.71. 5.71 by 7.51 by 7.15. Tapos naka-meter cube. Divided by R, 0.28708 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Tapos the initial temperature is 17.5 plus 273 degree Kelvin bracket. Okay? CV, ano yung CV? 0.7186 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Tapos, the change in temperature, 57.1 minus 17.5 degree Kelvin din to. All over. Kilowatt, di ba? Naka-kilojoule per second yan. Okay? Times 60 seconds in every minute. Ilan yun? 17.5. Isang pindutan lang din yan. Okay? Ganun lang din. Mas mahaba nga lang taas. 101.325 times 5.71 times 7.15 times 7.51 over, naglagay ata akong bracket. Over 0.28708. 28708. Okay? Times 17.5 plus 273. Okay, parenthesis. Close parenthesis ng buo. Times 0.7186 times 57.1 minus 17.5. Mabilis na mag-solve eh. Tapos 17.5 yun nandito. Times 60. The answer will be 10.9. Okay? 10.09. Time is equal to 10.0958 minutes. Pero yung iba, hindi ko matandaan. Meron kami ditong parang naging dilema. Okay, may dilema kami dito eh. 17.5 tama naman. 273.786. Ayan, yung naging dilema namin. Ang ginagawa dito, 1. Okay, multiply mo kay 1. 1.0062. Ang mangyayari, magiging 14.14. I don't know. Pero kapag wala sa choices yon, might as well, itong sagot na to, ang tama dito is 10. Okay? Pag wala sa choices, all you have to do is to multiply it with 1.0062 or the CP of air. Okay? Kapag wala sa choices, if not on choices. If not on choices, yun ang gagawin mo. Okay? So, let us proceed with, ito pala ang sagot dyan, hindi ko pa napakita. Ayan, 10.09. Pero pag minultiply mo, if CV, okay? If CP, okay? Ang magiging answer is 14.14 minutes. Confusing talaga. Confusing siya. Next one. A compressed air confined in a cylindrical tank, cylindrical, 5 feet, 5.5 feet in diameter, is to be maintained at a temperature of 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure gauge is of 5.5 bar. Calculate the required length of the tank in feet if the minimum mass of the air is 55 slugs. 1 slug is equal to ilan? 32.174 pounds. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Okay? Mhm. Ayun, tama, tama. Let me check my notes. Let me check my notes. Nandito yan sa aking notes. Ayun, tama. 32.174. That is slug. Tanda ko pa pala siya. Tanda ko pa rin. After 2 years. Okay. So let us solve. Meron tayong PV-MRT relationships. Ang hinahanap natin is in volume. So PV is equal to MRT. And the volume is based on cylinder, pi over 4 d squared L. Okay, hinahanap natin si L. Solve natin dito. P multiplied to pi over 4, okay, d squared L. I-multiply mo, equal mo ng MRT. Meron ang mass, meron ang R, meron ang T. Okay? Gawin natin siya ano yung hinahanap dito? In feet. In feet. So, I think better way is to transfer muna ito, i-convert muna natin lahat. Single units lang single units. Pressure gauge is in 5.5 bars. Okay. So, simplify na natin. Okay? L ang matitira dito. 4M R T over P D squared. Okay? Times pi. Ito na yung formula natin for length. Yan. So, total natin, L, 4. The mass is 55 slugs. 55 slugs. Okay? I-multiply natin siya ng 1 slug, 32.174 pounds. Ano ba to? Compressed air. Okay? Tapos, the mass of the air, yan na, yung R is 53.34 feet pound per pound degree Rankine pag air. And then the temperature, initial temperature is in 55 degrees Fahrenheit. 55 plus 460 degree Rankine kagad. Okay? Tapos, the pressure is 5.5 bars. 5.5 bar. Okay? Ko-convert mo kagad yan i-convert mo. I-convert mo siya ng kPa. 100 kPa. 1 bar. Okay? Multiply mo ng 101.325 kPa. Tapos, ilan? 14.7 pound per inch squared. Okay, since this is in gauge, plus mo na 14.7 pound per inch squared. Ang haba talaga nito. O ngayon, may nakita ka pound per inch squared. I-multiply mo kagad ng 144 inch squared per feet squared. Yung conversion factor natin. Kung nasaan yung pounds per square inch, multiply mo kagad ng 144. Multiply to the diameter. The diameter is, ayun, 5.5 feet. 5.5 feet squared, i-multiply mo kay pi. Okay, mahaba talaga siya. Ang lalabas dyan, feet. Okay, cancel natin yung mga units na pare-parehas. Yung slug, yung pound, excuse me, yung pound, ito squared to. Pound, inch, kPa, the bar, inch squared, yung feet squared, okay? Yung rankine, ang natira is feet, okay? Haba, no? 'Di ba? Okay lang yan, kayang-kaya yan. 4 times 55 times 32.174 times 53.34 times 55 plus 460, shift pi tapos sa parenthesis, okay, dalawa dapat, 5.5, yan, 5.5 times 100 times 14.7 divide by 101.325 tapos plus ng 14.7, i-multiply mo ng 144, i-multiply to 5.5 and then squared. Yun, masolve mo kagad yan. That is 150.366 feet. O, di ba? Nasa choices. So, L will be, the length of your cylinder will be equal to 150.3667 feet. Nasa choices. Okay? That will be all for the next part. Okay? Let us take another break.